Welcome to this tutorial, where I will guide you step by step on how to enable the Zoom Shortcuts feature in the Waze app on your phone. If you often use Waze for navigation and want quicker access to zoom controls on the map, this video will help you set it up easily and efficiently. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on three horizontal lines. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. After that, find an option called Map Display. Tap on it. Next, scroll through the map display options until you find Map Shortcuts. Tap on Map Shortcuts to open its settings. Finally, you will see an option labeled Show Zoom. Tap the toggle to turn it on. This will add zoom in and zoom out shortcuts directly on your map screen, making it easier to control your view while navigating. This simple process improves your navigation experience by giving you quick access to zoom controls on the map. Thank you for watching.